all the programs. Okay, click on edit. Okay, some of the fields will automatically populated. Interview language, English. Interpreter required, no. Where do you plan to live? Okay, now this you have to be very careful because now you are going into rural communities. So of course you have to select that. So there were some in BC. I'm not sure which of these is selected under that, but from wherever you will get the recommendation, you will select that. For time being, I'm just selecting this. But yeah, be careful with the details. Wrong details could land you in trouble that you don't want. Have you ever used any other name? I select no. UCI, Unique Light Identifier. So if you have ever applied to IRCC before, you will have it regardless of the type of application or decision. If you can check them, check for this in all the letters or communication that you have got from IRCC. And there's no point in hiding it if you have ever had one because anyway they're gonna find out. So that's what. Gender, eye color, do it all you do as per your name. Height because all this is sample. Birth date is already picked up. Place of birth. Check this in your passport, okay? Because you don't want any mismatch and any trouble there. Country of birth, citizenship. So India does not allow dual citizenship. So of course, if you have India, it will be the only one, right? Current country of residence, India, status, citizen. Do it as per your case. Previous country of during the past 5 years, have you lived in any country other than your country of citizenship or your current country of residence for more than 6 months? I select no. Do it as per your own case. Marital and relationship status. Current marital status. I select single. Have you previously been married or in a common law relationship? I select no. Contact information, address picked up. Phone number, they have asked my mother. That's like cellular. Country code for India, it's 91 number. I'm just putting sample. Do you want to contact us using the email address used in the I select yes. Just oh, empty. Do you have a valid passport travel document? Yes. Otherwise, how will I apply? Haha. And guys, these details you should check 2 times before you submit. Many people do minor mistakes in this and then later on struggle. Don't go to that. Okay. Country of issue and see the format of date that is given. Do not have any mistake over there. It will be disastrous if you do like that, right? Why do you want to get into trouble? Do you have a national document? Like when I had applied with my IRCC for the very first time, I had used my PAN card, okay? And it has got all the details and I shared and my application was successful. I had explained this in my letter of explanation too, and there was no further questions. I mean, nothing was asked related to that. So I highly recommend you do this, okay? That and now in India, I mean, it varies about your country also. Uh, so there's no harm in providing, and you can explain that in your letter. Highest level of education. Let's say you have done bachelor's degree. Number of years. So 10 plus 2 is 4, let's say 16 years of education. Occupation. Current occupation, I select farmer. I'm not sure if this eligible occupation is eligible or not. I'm just putting sample, okay? So don't come back and say, hey, this is not even an eligible occupation. I'm just doing sample, okay? Do it as per your own case. I again repeat. The native language. So let's say this guy is from India, so his native language is Hindi. Do it as per your case. Are you able to communicate in English, French? I said English. Have you taken test? Yes, that's how we can prove his proficiency, right? Dependent. You have to add personal details about each of your family member, whether they'll come with you or not. Spouse, common law partner, all your dependent children, and those of your, okay, fine. So in this case, we have like given no for this. So that's why we are returning back to the application. Okay, fine. Otherwise, like if you add them initially, it will ask for